Hi guys, it's Zoom. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you something that goes on with my cat. Because my cat apparently has fleas, she always sits over there on the shoe rack. See? Here's my shoe rack. Here's my cat. Say hi! Say hi! It's so funny. I kind of like stomp my foot and then go meow. And then she kind of follows the pattern with me. Okay, what's ready? Meow. 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 Oh my god, I just find it hilarious. Oh, it's because I'm mental. That's probably why I could. Do it again. Meow. 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 I love her. Love you. Okay, so I will be showing you this as well. This is actually a cat collar. Rolo, come here. There you go. Ready? Woo! Don't you look adorable?
Leave her alone then, Jenna, and take those boots off, please.
Okay.